Buongiorno a tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple but delicious risotto. If you've never made risotto before, this is a good one to learn with because it's very simple and has very few ingredients. All you're going to need is bell pepper, a shallot, some butter, Parmesan cheese, white wine and sage. The backstory to this recipe is that I made it the first time when I was visiting my parents back in Sicily, just before my dad passed away. And there wasn't much in the house, so I decided to improvise a risotto using this bell pepper, which Mom had never done before. She seemed a bit skeptical, but it turned out great. And by the end of the meal, Dad was a little bit teary-eyed and he paid me a compliment on my cooking, which is a very rare thing to have happened. And he said it reminded him of the food that his dad used to make for him when he was growing up. And up until that point, I didn't know that my grandfather had to cook as part of his military service. So this has a special meaning for me. I love making this dish and always remember my dad when I do. I hope you enjoy making it too. Let me show you how to make it. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need bell pepper, a good risotto rice. This one is called vialone nano. You can also use carnaroli or arborio, grated Parmesan cheese, cold butter, sage, shallot, white wine and some vegetable broth.